All right, guys, another pre-listing here for Davis AutoSports 04 Jeep Wrangler Sahara TJ factory hardtop Sahara package, beautiful interior, color keyed flares. Just got this in 2 days ago, straight from Florida. Absolute rust-free Jeep. As you see, we just installed our exclusive DAS Moab Rubicon wheels. These are the only ones on the market with a zero offset. Gives it a nice concave look. The other ones on the market are a positive 12 BFG 285 75 16 tires, obviously brand new as well. 2.5-inch lift. Now this is a pre-listing. We are going to bring this truck in our shop to continue to get fully serviced, reconditioned. We just want to do sort of an update progress on it. We are going to inspect and service as needed the rear main seal, valve cover gasket, oil pan gasket, front diff, rear diff, transfer case, transmission, go through the cooling system, the brakes. If they need to get replaced, we will absolutely replace them. Our final spec sheet on what we are to do to this will be on our listing. With that said, this Jeep is also for sale now. The price that we have it on our website will include the listing spec builds. If there's anything in addition that you want to do, you can contact us. We will get that done for you at an additional cost. So this is a pre-listing to show you the condition of it now. It's obviously going to get better cosmetically. We're going to paint correct. There are a few scratches on it, nothing major at all. During our paint correction, we will buff out what we can buff out, and we will touch up what needs to get touched up. With that said, we sort of inspect our vehicles. Most dealers that would get a condition of paint like this in would absolutely leave it the way it is. It has been raining here all day. That is just water. But this thing is just truly gorgeous. There's a couple little spots on it on the top that we're going to touch up. But this thing is a gorgeous, gorgeous Jeep. Interior is mint. We haven't touched the interior as well. This is exactly how it came in, minus what we did, wheels, tires, and all that, of course. Shooting this with a phone. Most of our listings are done obviously with professional equipment, so it's going to get grainy in here on the interior. All these spots on the seats are nothing other than rain from me opening up and rain coming out of the rain gutter on both seats. That is just rainwater. Seats are beautiful. I mean, there's still a little bit of dirt. You can tell we have not even touched this thing whatsoever. Very, very clean. Have driven it. Of course, once it goes through our inspection department, it's going to be thoroughly inspected. Drives great. I mean, rarely will we show a vehicle the exact way we got it in. We always like to recondition it to some degree, but this thing's super, super clean. Also, the undercarriage, Florida Jeep, rust-free. We have a ton of pictures, even in this pre-listing, of the undercarriage. The nuts, the bolts, everything is just super clean. So 04 Sahara, miles in the 90s, gorgeous. It's going to be fully serviced. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. Won't last long. 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.